Hi Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July the 18th to July the 20th. So Gemini, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel po yan, that's Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano po? So, kung hindi nyo maabutan yung live, pwede po kayo magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Gemini, late na naman tayo as usual dahil po sa mga istorbo, pero tuloy pa rin ang manhunt at hindi na lang po kayo ang naghahanap sa kanila. Kanila, dahil dalawang account, pero I believe that that's actually the same person. Yeah, may mga naghahanap na rin po. So, tuloy pa rin ang ating raffle, no? So, mamaya na ako mag-rant or baka hindi na, no? Dahil itigil na natin yan. At I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or some bits and pieces of the reading, so take what's only yours. Gemini. Ayan. So, Gems, ang nakikita ko dito, no, parang either may matigas talaga ang ulo sa inyo. Ayaw maniwala sa mga, sabihin nating signs, writings on the walls, no? Yung mga flags, either red flags or green flags, no? Tingnan nga natin kung green flag or red flag ito. Kasi parang ang nangyayari kasi sa relationship is mahirap siyang tansyahin, mahirap siyang basahin, mahirap siyang i-judge, no? Kasi parang may mood swings. There are times that the connection is sobrang sweet. There are times na sobrang kay lamig-lamig. So, at those times na sabihin nating sweet, no? Wala tayo talaga mairereklamo, no? Kasi todo focus, no? Pero kapag naman naging cold, ayun, no? Malamig pa sa Antarctica, no? Sa North Pole, ayan. So what I am seeing in here is you kind of probably just hoping, no, na someday at least one of these days, no, or anytime soon, parang bigla na lang sana, no, na magkaroon ng, sabihin natin, sana man lang, di ba, umayos very soon, no, kasi willing ka naman magstay, willing kang antayin, no, yung growth, kung may growth, sana nga meron. Kasi there are promises in here, Gems, na parang paulit-ulit nangyayari, no? Siguro mga 1 day, 2 days, no? Pero hindi tatagal to ng mga 5 days or isang linggo, pabalik na naman siya sa dati. Para ka nag-aalaga ng isang batang matigas ang ulo. With the 7 of Swords, the Hermit, the 4 of Swords, the 5 of Cups, and the 8 of Pentacles. Either meron ditong parang project. It could be a project, no, literal, or it could be your project. Your project is this person, no? Pero parang naglalaro ba to, no? Kasi parang hindi ko siya mawari, di ba? Parang hindi ko mawari yung gusto niyang iparating kasi minsan oo, minsan hindi, no? Sala sa init, sala sa lamig. You're just waiting for this person's growth, maturity perhaps. Let's see some more cards. 7 of Swords, the Page of Wands, and the 3 of Swords. So, hindi ko sinasabing seloso tayo or selosa. Pero ang sakit nga naman kapag nakikita mo siyang tinatako ang telepono, no? Ayan. Kasi parang pakiramdam natin, sino yung kausap mo? 'Di ba? Dapat alam ko. Hindi ko naman itatanong yung conversations, 'di ba? Well, siguro may tatanong ko kapag, saan kayo pupunta, no? Pero hindi in details, no? Kasi magkarelasyon tayo eh, 'di ba? Magkarelasyon tayo. Um, Syempre poprotektahan ko din yung relationship, 'di ba? Pero I feel like Four of Swords, napagod ka. And the Five of Cups, para kasing dumaan ka na sa santong paspasan, santong dasalan, no? With the King of Wands and the Two of Wands. So yun nga siya, magsasabi siya, magpapromise siya, tapos panandalian lang. 'Di ba? Although ginagawa naman niya, pero parang lagi siya nakakalimot, parang meron itong um, amnesia agad-agad, no? Parang bigla siya nagkakaroon ng amnesia tapos babalik na naman tayo sa dati. With the Wheel of Fortune, Ten of Swords, Ten of Cups, Ace of Wands, and the Tower. Ah, kasi with the Seven of Swords, we cannot, although that indicates a thief in the night, hindi natin agad ma-relay ito sa third party, no? One thing's for sure, may umaagaw ng attention niya. Pero we don't know kasi underneath is the Wheel of Fortune. Um, Nako, scatter ba ito? Kasi it involves money. It involves an abundance. It could also be abundance, may be very vague, no? One of the factor of one abundance is probably there. Sabihin natin, um, ha, one of the abundance is the time. Kasi nga dun siya nakafocus, no? With the Ten of Swords, the Moon card, and the Nine of Swords. So, stressed na rin kasi ito, no? Stressed din si person. I think siguro tinangtanong niya, bakit ako napasok sa ganito? I feel like meron din pinagdadaan si person na hindi niya lang masabi, no? It's actually not kalaguyo, no? But I feel like you need to, siguro kung yun yung iniisip mo, kung meron mga kalaguyo or third party, sige, isingit natin kasi Seven of Swords, pero very, small percentage. Pero yung the rest of you, I feel like may pinagdadaanan ito with the Tower, the Five of Pentacles, and the Strength card. I think that your person is emotionally, mentally drained, no? It felt like merong certain, it could be a career that was lost. It could be a huge amount of money that was lost na hindi sinasabi. But it kind of make me feel that, yes, may tinatagong lihim. Pero it's more of personal, no? Hindi rin naman tayo pwedeng manghimasok agad-agad, especially kung maapektuhan tayo, no? Doon sa mga may magjowa, kapag hindi naman sinabi sa inyo, huwag niyo nang kulitin, 'di ba? Kasi it's something personal. Ngayon, dun sa mga mag-asawa, kung mutual funds naman ito, you deserve to know. Kung hindi, ang hirap kasi kapag mag-asawa na, no? I think what I can suggest is to gain the person's trust first. For them to tell you na okay lang mag-confide, no? I'm not going to judge you. Ang hirap kasi nito kapag siya yung sarili niyang pera, 'di ba? Kasi medyo pag mutual funds ito, madali kasi I deserve to know, pera ko rin kasi yan eh, 'di ba? Pero kasi kapag pera niya lang, you can also consider it private, no? So antayin mo na lang siya mag-open up. Hi. So let's check the emotion of this person or your person, no? But I believe that your person's doing or is, sabihin natin, going through some tough moment. I need you to help me. Uh, Actually, there is really a cry for help in here. I'm yours forever and ever. So if we are just thinking na there is a third party in here, or sabihin natin ng um, mga kalaguyo, it's actually a no. There's something beyond um, the, sabihin natin yung naguguluhan, no? Itong si person. So that is your reading. Tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng iyong person. Now, it could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I am seeing Sagittarius, Pisces, Leo, Taurus, um, Cancer, yeah, Sagittarius, now your Virgo is also here, Scorpio, Capricorn. So, yep, Gemini, this is your reading. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin sa kabilang channel po. That is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel, no? Catered for our international audience, and doon po, no, nagla-live din tayo. So, kung hindi niyo po naabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung feeling niyo hindi kayo hindi masasatisfy ang inyong cravings no, sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box din nandun po ang link ng aking website. So, website po, doon lang po ako nagtatransact, no? Hindi po ako nagbe-message sa inyo directly, no? Walang sapilitan. So, you can also check, no, yung name, number. Pag hindi po nag-match doon, wala na. Hindi na ako yon, no? So, how much per question, the QR codes, nandun po lahat, no? And if you also want to book a personal reading, nandun din po yan. So, love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Gemini.